So we need to wait approximately 4 hours to make sure that the resin is still a bit of runny, so you can remove the tape, but it will not run off the book because it's gonna be very sticky. Well, guess what? I completely forgot about those 4 hours, and now it's completely cured. And I have no idea how I'm gonna remove this, because let's see how we're gonna fix it. First, I'm gonna remove those protective layers. I think trying to pull like this is just gonna ruin everything, because I mean, you can see it's foldable, but if I'll start pulling, I'm afraid it will start pulling the whole cover. That's not an option. Trying to use the knife and trying to cut this, possibly one of the best options. But now I want to try and maybe use heat gun in order to soft the resin, and then use knife, because when the resin is warm, it's so much easier to cut the resin and remove any spills or anything. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'll try not to set a fire. Let's try. I'm gonna use my gun. Let's try on this edge. Oops. Oh, now you can see that it's actually very soft to cut. This is gonna help though. Ooh. Okay. Okay, now it's... Oh wow, you can even see it. Now I can actually pull it. Woo! Okay, let's continue. Just trying to cut this corner so it's not ruining the rest. Oh wow. Okay. I didn't even cut it, and it seems like you can pull it. So let's heat it up. That edge is ruined a bit. Hey guys, not that bad, huh? For the ruined book that I was thinking. So when I'm heating up, I'm kinda putting my fire on this side, not here, but this side, so it will heat up all those little edges and it will not burn the paper. Oh my god, that's... Whoa. Now for all those a bit lifted edges that you can see right here, I'm going to be using clear tacky glue in order to secure those edges. But overall, I think I can point another problem with this book. When you are doing the cover resin, please make sure that you take the books that have hard cover, because even though this one looks like a hardcover, but it's not that thick. And when you cover with the resin, you can see that the book cover is not actually on the place when it was. It's going, because of the resin, it's kind of doing this arch, which I think not a problem. Maybe if you will put this under the heavy stuff to sit for days, it will fix itself. But I'm just saying that be prepared that if your cover is not thick, because of the liquid and resin, it can go a bit archy. But I just love this book. It's such a great idea. I love the sparkles. Okay, now fixing the edges. Okay. This edge is ready. This one is okay. This one is lifted. So now I will be placing my book under other books, so it will try to fix the cover and glue the edges. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for staying with me. Like, comment. Thank you so much, guys.